Eskom understood, and at least the government understood, that for us to continue to build out generation, particularly private sector owned generation, to be able to sell this energy to Eskom was not a viable outcome. And so really what you're doing with wheeling is you're saying to the private sector, you can put energy into the grid and you can sell it to my customers, Eskom's customers in some ways, and you can use their balance sheets to be able to raise funding to build your sites. So in some ways, it was a means of increasing private sector generation by leveraging Eskom customer or consumer balance sheets as opposed to Eskom's balance sheets. So if we raise funding, certainly in the open access's case, and if a lot of our customers raise funding for sites, they're raising funding against the creditworthiness of the power purchase agreement that they've signed with private off-takers. So commercial and industrial customers in South Africa. And it's obviously started in the large sites first. So, most of the first wheeling contracts are just one-to-one. So for example, like a lot of the mining sites would have signed, 100 megawatts. I'll purchase 100 megawatts from your site, which you're going to connect in Mpumalanga, even though my mine it might be in the Northern Cape, and all of that energy is going to get allocated to my bill. So that 100 megawatts is being built on the back of the creditworthiness of that contract, which is the creditworthiness of the off-taker being the mine. And so Eskom is completely removed from the entire process from a bankability perspective, although they still have a key stakeholder in facilitating that offset of credit.